start again. It's a rage thing.
I just decided I'm gonna do this. I want to do my eyelashes myself, and I bought this at the beauty shop, and I'm gonna do my eyelashes. Let's see if it turns out good or not. Okay, I'm gonna use my front camera because I can't see myself in my back camera. But this is like 3 on compared to this eyeball that doesn't have anything. This is like 3 on. Okay, let me switch back to my back camera. Or is this fine, you guys? I lost one eyelash. I don't know, it fell on my rug, and I'm so stressed out that I decided to even put something on my rug. Oh no. I really need to go buy that thing with which they used to put this. I was in the store. I don't know why I didn't buy it. Because I did have, but yeah. Because I'm struggling with my placement, guys. It's like... I'm gonna have gaps. Let me see if I can't find that thing. Hello. This is what I've done so far. I do like it, but I kind of feel like it looks like my eyelashes have fallen out. And I'm trying to put a little bit more. But I also at the same time do like how plain they look. You know? And I think I'll put maybe a little bit more this side. Maybe, yeah, a little bit more here. So that it doesn't look like there's a gap there. And the glue dries black and not clear. So people are gonna see how everything looks like. And I found my Q-tips too, like if I make a mess then I just go like, you know. But yeah, you guys, this is the first eye done. Pretty, but I feel like you see over here it's like a gap there, so I'm gonna close that. Maybe just put 2 more here, 2 more there, and yeah. Okay, let's continue with this, and I'll show you the final reveal of my eyelashes, guys, when I'm done. Guess what I found? Finally found it. Now I can continue. I don't think I'm gonna be able to fill in these gaps, because the more I put on, the heavier the look becomes, and I don't like that. So we're just gonna leave it like that. Guys, this is the final result. I think I did good. So this is how my eyelashes look like. I think that I just need to buy eyebrow tint and tint my eyebrows. And yeah, let's hope tomorrow morning when we wake up, they will still be here. I don't even know, like, I like that they're not too much. But you can almost now see, like, I'm happy. I'm very happy. This pack wasn't enough, so next time I will just go back to buying the big one because I had to use these two. But yeah, you guys, I'm very much impressed, and I didn't think the glue will work, but it showed up. And yeah, I think I should just like do this, but I'm so scared that I'll end up taking them off if I do. Oh no, am I even doing it properly? I don't think I should do it. No, I think I'm gonna leave it. I just need a spoolie. Because I feel like especially this side they are so all over the place. This side is quite a bit more controlled, but here that's my eyelashes, guys. Done at home safely. We hope and pray that when we wake up tomorrow, they'll be there. That the eyelashes will be here. Anyway, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Let me go to bed. It is 9 o'clock. Let's go to bed, you guys. See you in the next part. Not see you in the next part. It's 9 o'clock, you guys, and I will see you in my next vlog. I think I'm gonna do a lot more beauty stuff, but yeah, this is my eyelashes done.